Hey everyone! Welcome back to day 2 of our English speaking challenge. If you joined yesterday, great job, you've already taken the first step toward improving your pronunciation and fluency. Today, we're going to continue with the common phrases we started yesterday. We'll keep shadowing them together to make your pronunciation smoother and your speech more natural. Remember, shadowing means listening and speaking at the same time. Try to copy my rhythm, tone, and speed, as if you're echoing my voice. The more you repeat these short, useful chunks, the more natural your English will sound. You'll start to feel the flow of real conversation, not just individual words. So, speak out loud, relax, and let's keep building your fluency, one phrase at a time. Are you ready? Let's get started. I'm on my way to the office. 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 Could you send me that file? 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 I have a meeting this afternoon. 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 Let's take a short break. 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 I'll call you back later. 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 Please check your email. 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 I need more time to finish this. 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 Can you explain that again? 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 How much does this cost? 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 Do you have this in a bigger size? 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 I'm just looking, thank you. 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 Can I pay by card? 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 Let's order some food. 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 I'd like a cup of coffee, please. 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 What do you recommend? 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 Could we have the bill, please? 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 Do you want to hang out tomorrow? 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 Let's go to the cinema this weekend. 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 Can I borrow your book? 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 That sounds like a good idea. 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 I really enjoyed talking with you. 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 Congratulations on your success. 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 I'm so happy for you. 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 Let's keep in touch. 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 Great job today. You did an amazing job shadowing and speaking out loud. Remember, Every time you repeat these phrases, you're training your mouth and mind to think in English more naturally. Don't worry if your pronunciation isn't perfect yet, progress takes practice. The key is consistency. The more you shadow, the more fluent and confident you'll become. Try to listen to this video again later today or tomorrow morning. Repetition will help you remember the phrases and sound more natural every time you speak. And get ready for day 3, where we'll keep improving your pronunciation and fluency with even more practical English phrases. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Keep going, you're doing great. See you in day 3.